Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I love coffee. In the morning, I have a nice hot cup of joe to start my day, or a cold one in the afternoon to refresh. I also use it when I bake. No, seriously. Making soups, stews, or gravies by adding some can enhance your dishes. There's a cold treat made with coffee that I just love, and here it is. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my coffee ice cream. Oh, that is so good. It's the right amount of coffee without being overwhelming. There's an ingredient that I add in this recipe, and trust me, it really brings all the flavors together. Just have to watch the video. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a medium saucepan over medium heat, we'll add whole milk, 1 cup of coffee beans, some granulated sugar, and a little bit of ground sea salt. We'll stir well and bring the mixture to a simmer. Do not boil it. When it gets there, we'll remove it from the heat and transfer the milk mixture to a small bowl. To this, we'll add finely ground coffee, Tia Maria liqueur. If you want this homemade recipe, click on the top right corner of your screen. And we'll also add pure vanilla extract. We'll stir the ingredients until well combined and place some wax paper on top, making sure it touches the surface to prevent a skin from forming. We'll let the mixture steep for 1 hour. So, 60 minutes later, we'll remove the wax paper and simply discard it. Next, we'll pour the mixture into a fine sieve sitting over a large bowl and toss the coffee beans around before discarding them. We'll add a can of sweetened condensed milk and stir until very well blended. Now, I want you to taste your custard because it might be slightly bitter. In that case, we'll add a little bit of powdered sugar, but keep in mind that there's some sweetness to the whipped cream. Also, don't use granulated sugar because it won't dissolve well, leaving a grainy texture. Next step, let's make the whipped cream. In the bowl of a stand mixer, we'll add cold, heavy cream and some powdered sugar. With the whisk attachment on, we'll process on high speed until stiff peaks form. I won't go into details on how to make perfect whipped cream every time, so click on the top right corner of your screen to learn more. So what we'll do next is to add half of the whipped cream to the custard and simply fold it in until well mixed. Then we'll add the custard mixture to the remaining half of the whipped cream and fold it again until nicely combined. We'll pour it into an ice cream tub, cover, and transfer to the freezer until hard, about 8 hours. And my friends, this is our coffee ice cream. Creamy and so refreshing, this cold treat is incredibly tasty. This is an amazing recipe to have on hand, especially if you're a coffee lover. This flavorful ice cream is a must-make for this summer. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!